A relay race is 1/8 of a mile long. Each relay team has 4 members. Each team member runs the same distance. How many miles does each team member run? All right, so if the relay race is 1/8 of a mile long, that's the whole relay. Okay, that's the whole thing. Now, each relay team has 4 members. So what's going to happen is you're going to say, well, if there's going to be 4 members running a 1/8 of a mile, we're going to split that 1/8 amongst these 4. And when you split, you divide. So you're going to divide by 4. Now, before I go crazy and get out my calculator, you can run your calculator. This is a calculator problem, and do 1/8 divided by 4. You'll get D. And if that's how you're going to do it, skip to the next video. But I'm going to show you how to do this without a calculator just in case you want to know. Whenever you divide a fraction by a whole number, you're going to do keep, change, flip, which means you keep the first fraction, you change the division to multiplication, and you flip the second fraction. And you're like, no. There's no second fraction. 4 is a whole number, I know, but I can turn any whole number into a fraction by making it over 1. So keep, change, flip means 4 over 1 becomes 1 over 4. That's called the reciprocal. Now, whenever I multiply fractions, you multiply straight across the numerator. 1 times 1 is 1. You multiply straight across the denominator. 8 times 4 is 32. And just like that, we got our answer. All right, so calculator, great. No calculator,